Hey guys, today I'm going to talk about the ways to increase your credit limit and how to get instant approval. Okay, I'm going to share you some of my credit history that I had with Experian and the FICO. Currently, my FICO score is 807, which is, they say, exceptional. All right. um, the FICO score depends on your usage, the utility that you use your balance. All right. It also depends on your the age of your credit limit. It depends on what kind of credit you have. It depends on what kind of loan you have. All right. So there are a lot of factors that impacts your credit score. All right. One of them is your usage. Let's say, for example, you have $1,000 credit and you use uh, $800 out of it. So that means you're using 80% of your credit limit, which is very bad. All right, your credit limit, the usage must be below 30%. All right, and if you're applying for the renowned credit card like Chase Sapphire or Capital One, um, Quicksilver or MX or Discover, I would say keep it your usage limit maybe 9% or below 9%. That would be better for you because that way you get an instant approval. All right. Uh, the next thing is the payment history. You know, I would say if you cannot make your payment like for example you have $800 balance and at least make like $200-300 of your payment. All right, that way you can keep your balance low. All right, do not forget to make any payments. All right, any late payments, one single payment late payment is gonna impact you for 3 years. So please remember that, okay? It is very important that you make even a minimum payment that you do is very important for your credit. Alright. The next thing is amount of debt, meaning the usage that you have. Let's say I have almost 31,600 credit limit and I have only 5%. I have used only 5%. You see, this will help you increase your credit score. Let's say if I have $31,600 balance credit limit and I use 30,000, then the lender will think that I am a risky customer because I'm using all of the um, credit that I have. But if you're using only like 5%, then the lender will think you that you're not using a lot of money, the credit limit. So they will think you as a reliable customer. All right. So the another thing is the credit history length. You see, I have 11 years and 4 months, the oldest one, and the average is 9 years and 2 months, which is very good. The older the credit history that you have, the more you're trustworthy. Okay, the lenders, without any doubt, they will give you a loan or they will approve you for the credit that you need. All right. And the next thing is amount of new credit that you have. All right, I only have two credit cards. All right. Most of the companies, they say if you have at least five credit cards or five accounts in your credit profile, then that is better because the lender will think you that you are able to manage your account, your loan properly. But if you have only one, then they will think it is kind of risky for them to give you any loans or any credit. Right. It also depends on your credit mix. For example, they will look at your mortgage, car payment, your credit, what kind of credit you have. Let's say, for example, you have Discover, Amex, or Bank of America, or Citi, or Chase. The lenders will think that you are a reliable customer. But if you have something like cheapy credit card, then they will not take you seriously. So it is important to have a cheapy credit card to build up your credit. But when it gets built up, you might want to apply for Amex or Discover card. All right, this is what I have. I would also highly suggest you to enroll in one of these credit bureaus, because they give you a lot of advice. They tell you what to do, what not to do. You know, they tell you what will happen if you do this. What you have to do to increase your credit limit, to increase your credit score. Right, so all those things that gives you enough benefit from Experian or Equifax or um, TransUnion. So you could be a member in any one of these credit bureaus. I would recommend Experian because they have a lot of details about your profile. They will also tell you if there is any sex offender close to your neighborhood. They will give you all the names, the address of that person. They will give you all the details. So hopefully you like my videos. If you have any question, please comment below, and please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I will, every once a week I will upload maybe one or two videos to give you more details about what's going on. So hopefully you like my video. Uh, Thank you so much for watching, and hope to see you soon again.